Hello, travelers. How are you? Today we are going to talk about one of the developed Asian country, United Arab Emirates. But before that, let's hear one of the beautiful quest by well-known traveler Anthony Bourdain. The quest goes like this: traveling isn't always pretty. It isn't always comfortable. Sometimes it hurts. It even breaks your heart. But that's okay. The journey changes you. It should change you. It leaves mark on your memory, on your consciousness, on your heart, on your body. You take something with you. Hopefully, you leave something good behind. Anthony Bourdain. With these beautiful quotes, let's explore the beauty of United Arab Emirates. Here we go, top 10 interesting fact about the United Arab Emirates. The small Gulf nation has created the world's first government ministry for artificial intelligence. The United Arab Emirates or UAE is located on the southeast end of the Arabian Peninsula. The country wedged between Oman and Saudi Arabia and has rocky desert, wetlands, waterless mountains and coastal line that stretches along the Gulf of the Oman and the Persian Gulf. Prior to the discovery of oil in the mid-20th century, the UAE economy was based primarily on fishing and a pearl industry. When oil exports began in 1960s, the country economy rapidly transformed. Today, the UAE per capita gross domestic product is on par with those of the leading Western European nation. The following are the 10 interesting facts about the United Arab Emirates. 1. The UAE is comprised of 7 different emirates: Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Azama, Qatarin, and Fujairah. Each emirate has different culture and tradition. Fact number 2. The country forms of government is an absolute monarchy. Each emirate of the UAE is ruled by the separate royal family, but their Emir of Abu Dhabi is the country president and the head of state, while the Emir of Dubai serves as the nation prime minister. Fact number 3. There are no permanent river in UAE. Fact number 4. The falcon is the UAE national symbol, while the Arabian oryx, a medium-sized antelope, is the country national animal. Fact number 5. The UAE created the world's first government ministry for artificial intelligence, according to the World Economic Forum. Fact number 6. Dubai has the world's longest driverless metro system with more than 46 miles of track. Fact number 7. The world's tallest building is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. According to the Guinness Book of World Record, the skyscraper is 828 meters. It means 2,717 feet high. Fact number 8. It always wise for people visiting a country to familiarize themselves with the local laws. People have been prosecuted and jailed in Dubai for public display of affection. Fact number 9. The UAE population has one of the greatest shares of emirates. By US government account, emirates account for the less than 12% of the national population. Other emirates rank the UAE only behind fellow Gulf nation Qatar for the highest percentage of exports comparing in the population. Fact number 10. Despite recent reforms, the UAE continues to receive criticism for right organizations for the treatment of the country's migrated and the domestic workers. With that fact, that's it for today, guys. But if you love traveling and if you want to explore more countries and if you want to know other countries detailed fact, then subscribe to this channel and like and share travel with Nirnay videos. That's it for now. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun